Ng'urokane familia mar Momi ariyo mawuok e kar chung' od bura ma Hamisi medre kaunti ma Vihiga bang' yudo thieth ne midhiero mar mineme manochiw kod riwruok mar Red Cross. Joma ne kalo e pek kutenore kod midhiero mar mineme koro nyalo buonjo bang' riwruogno mar Red Cross riwore kod riwruok mar Rogers Bosi wuok oko kendo kuoyo yath mar nego kute mag mineme e kar jota margi. Kane giloso bang' yawa yanga chenro makamano mabiro dhi nyime nyaka dimachiel, apisas mag Red Cross owacho ni familia mang'eny ni kod pek kaluwore kod dhier makelo midhiero mag mineme.
Tuanzie hapa Givogi na tutaendelea kusaidia katika hii kuangamiza funza ili watu wetu waweze kuishi vizuri na waweze kuwa na afya nzuri. Hili jambo watu wengi huwa wanafikiria ni jambo rahisi, lakini ukiangalia vile wale ambao wameathiriwa wanapata shida, inakuwa ni vizuri kuja pamoja kusaidia.
Na hii ni launch tu, tunataka tutembee Hamisi yote ili tusaidie wananchi wa Hamisi. Na naweza sema sisi kama Red Cross we are volunteering, so we are a volunteer organization. Kwa hivyo tumetoa vijana wetu wa volunteer wakuje kutoa watu jigas watembee kwa manyumba.
We have been trying as a hospital trying to eradicate them, but coming back to the ground you find that most of the people who are being affected by these jiggers cannot afford the hospital bills, cannot afford maybe getting the drugs that maybe we may recommend them to use for complete eradication.